Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Ihsan Julianto, NIM 2024-31188. Saya akan mengerjakan tugas live coding. Yang pertama, this program is a sample web-based student assignment system developed using HTML, PHP, and Bootstrap to calculator and display student final score based on their academic component. Nah, yang pertama, yang one nih. This is code initials variable for a student grading system. Nah, ini data variable name, absen, tugas, UTS, UAS, hasil HTML. Error set to empty value to prevent on the first variable error. Status variable store the calculator result and pesan error contains validation issue. Styling header class NBTN class use bootstrap class to easily control the appearance of the UI. Nah, yang ini, yang 11. Trigger the if is a post process. Block and choose the code only run after the submit button is clicked. Data collection. Nih, data collection it retrieving student information and score from a post global array. Data cleaning. The trim function is as on name to remove any action, reading or training space. Mapping. It maps form input name like header kehadiran to local variable like absent for each processing. Nah, ini nih. Lanjutnya yang ini. Validation check. The if statement check if any field is empty. If so, I trigger an error message. Semua kolom harus diisi nih. Semua kolom harus diisi. All field must be filled. Nah, lanjut. Data conversion. If all field, error field, float file, convert the string inputs from into decimal number float to mathematics accuracy. Grading. Grade. It calculator the final grade, nilai akhir asing with formula. Nih 30 10% for absent, 20% for assignment, 30% midpoint example choose file, 40% UAS for final exam. Ini sekarang yang grade. Ini nih. Grade determines it's also a series of if else if condition to assign a letter grade A to A based on the calculator nilai akhir. Passing the variable lulus percent is set to true by default, but change to false if any two of the string condition are met. Attached is below 70. The final grade below 60. An individual component assignment middle or final exam is below 40. Dynamic UI feedback. It's the UI color based on the result of the student file. The alert header and button color change red to red danger, where red passing result are grand success. Ini nih. Nah, yang ini sekarang. String condition the yang ini deh. Salah. Yang ini nih. Ini tadi yang diinjal. Sekarang yang membuat output hasil penilaian dalam format string condition. The code stores a block of HTML code inside the hasil HTML variable using double quotes, which allow PHP variable to be parsed directly. Dynamic styling. It uses the color variable assigned in the previous step to dynamically change to the box color, green for success, red for danger. Formatting. Formatting the number format. Nilai akhir to function ensure the final score is displayed with exactly 2 decimal places for a professional look. UI component is both class like shadow, same for a subtle shadow effects, and FA bold to make the status text stand out. Nah, lanjut ke membuat doc tipe HTML. Declaration that this document is HTML5. HTML lang ID. Definisi to the start of HTML document lang ID means the language is Indonesia. Heading. Contents metadata and result for the page. Meta charge of mean states the character encoding to of min 8 so text display constantly. Meta name view content with device intelligence scale min 1 makes the display responsive on the device. Title from penilaian mahasiswa. Title set the page title show in the browser tab. Link heart HTML CD JSD deliver boot main CSS rel style sheet. Import both 5 CSS for styling and layout. Style starts internal CSS styling. Body sekarang body. Set light gray background for the page card. Remove the border from bootstrap card component. Style and the internal CSS height and the heading section body sekarang body guys. Body start the visible content of the web tag div class container mt style max width 600 pix px create a curved bootstrap containing width top dan button margin and maximum width of 600 px. Div class card shadow create a bootstrap card with a shadow effect. Nah ini nih. Div class create header php co header class text with text enter pay 3 min 3 create the card header php echo header class set header color dynamical using php text with max text with text enters the text pay min 3 and vertical padding. Yang ini heading to class heading for MB min 0 from penilaian mahasiswa heading 2. Display the card title with heading heading 4 and no button margin. Div class card body. Ini. Start the card body with padding from method post no validate. Create a from the that send data using post method no validate. Disable browser validation. Nah, yang mana nama nih? Label class from label v bold name mahasiswa label. Input text input for student name. Value keep the previous input using PHP. Name input. Ini name input. Numeric input from student ID. Name. Attach score. Score nih score. Input from attach then below explain. Achievement score input form achievement score 20% it the term example UTS. Input form UTS score 30%, input for was score 40%. Submit button submit the form button color is controlled dynamic by PHP. Ini error message check if an error messenger exit if class show a red alert box if there is an error. PHP echo PHP echo display the calculation result final score grade pass file generated by PHP footer. So copyright text. Load bootstrap JavaScript for interactive component. Body and HTML. Close the body and HTML document. Cukup dari saya penjelasannya, kalau kurang jelas mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Contoh output sembilan puluh 80. Contoh lulus, kalau misalnya gak sukses baru 23 100 70 60 70 unsuccessful, tidak lulus. Cukup dari saya sekian, kurang lebih mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera.